Welcome to BLVD.com. I am Dan the Wheelchair Van Man, and today we're going to take a look at two identical Chrysler Touring L Sports. Same exact exterior color being in the Baltic gray with the sport package. But one is going to have a fold-out modification. The other one's going to have a power in the floor. Both of these modifications are coming from BraunAbility. Ultimately, these vehicles are for sale at BLVD.com, where we have over 5,000 new and used for sale, ready to ship directly to your home or your business. First one we'll take a look at, as you saw, is a fold-out ramp. This features a 10-inch lowered floor, which is going to give us 52.5 inches through that side door. Able to support both power and manual wheelchairs. However, in most cases, this modification is a little bit more ideal for a manual wheelchair user. This has been set up for a manual wheelchair user, and we've also installed into this a transfer seat, as well as hand controls. Able to support 3 other passengers in the rear. Front passenger seat is in place. However, this seat is removable in a matter of seconds to allow for additional wheelchair seating if necessary. Close up that ramp once again. It's a 50-50 fold, so it's going to remain below the window, so it doesn't obstruct any visibility going out that side door. Equipment-wise, from Chrysler, these vehicles are, again, 100% identical. The only difference in these is the modification features. So there's our fold-out ramp. That's got a 10-inch lowered floor. We can also do that fold-out ramp with a 14-inch lowered floor. That 14-inch would actually give you 56.5 through the side door. Now, take a look at power in the floor ramp. Now this has got a 14-inch lowered floor to begin with. However, due to the lowered floor design, it ends up being a 13-inch lowered floor. Gives us 55.5 inches through this side door. Able to support, again, both power and wheelchair users alike, driver or passenger applications. 3-person bench seat. Look up front, this has got the standard seating in it. If you need a transfer seat, the dealer near you will install that specifically to your needs. In the description, I have a link directly to BLVD.com, where we've got that 5,000 plus new and used wheelchair vans for sale. Got every price point all the way up from hundreds of thousands of dollars all the way down to that $30,000 price point and less. Locate a dealer near you at BLVD.com or shop over 5,000 new and used for sale from both dealers and private sellers. Questions, comments, leave them below.